Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Biscuit. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody is having a good day, staying safe. So today's video is going to be a nail swatch video on the brand Modelones, which is gel nail polish. So this is the container or in the packaging that it arrived in. If you haven't seen my haul from Amazon, make sure that you check that out. Also, I got these nail swatches, nail swatch ring and the Stiletto nail swatches from Amazon as well. So you can find those on Amazon. Like I said, that's my favorite store. You can find everything on Amazon. Plus, if you're a Prime member, 2-day shipping, if less. So good deal. So today we are just going to be swatching all of the colors just so that way I can have them on my swatch ring for when my clients come and get their nails done. Instead of them having to look up at the wall and look at the colors, they can look at the swatch ring, which makes it easier for them. But I know a lot of people still like to look up at the wall because the colors are so mesmerizing and so pretty. So what I'm doing is actually just starting off by putting the Modelones base coat on. Now this is recommended when you're using any gel. This is basically like a little adhesive to the nail to help the gel polish adhere to the nail. So we are going to do that. We're going to polish all of my nail swatches, and then we're going to put them in the UV lamp to cure. So now that we have all of the nail swatches with the base coat on them, I'm going to go ahead and start putting on the gel polish. So this one right here is called Dance With Me. It's a very vibrant pink color, like a hot pink. And I would have to definitely say that the Modelones gel polish is very thick in the consistency with the opacity of it. You having to just do one coat. I mean, literally, I just did one coat, except for maybe like on 2 of them. So this yellow one right here is called Exotic Birds. And again, this one is a vibrant yellow color as well. This next one that you see is like a kind of like an emerald green color. So hence that is called Emerald Lake. So that one is really pretty too. And look how the color is just going on the nails with just one coat. So the next color is a pretty purple, which is called Amethyst. Super pretty. Like I said, all these colors went on with just like one coat. I was so amazed. This next color is one of my favorites. It's called Macaron Blue. This next color is a orange, which is called Passionate. And now we're going to let them cure for at least 90 seconds. So this pink right here is it's called Strawberry Ice Cream. It's the lighter pink from the hot pink earlier, which was called Dance With Me. Again, I'm so amazed at how these are going on with just one coat. So this beige or tan color that you are seeing is called Classical. So we're gonna go ahead and take those out of the UV lamp, and we're gonna sit those off to the side, and then we're gonna start to put our other colors in there as well. So this gray color is called Dancing Cinderella. This white color is called Cream. And of course, you have to have a black, which is called Black Lava. Like I said, look at how those colors just glide on there. One coat, trust me, all you need. This red is called Midsummer Rose, which is very pretty. So we also have a silver glitter, which is one of my favorites, which this is what I use for all my bling nails. And then I'll put the bling on, the bling rhinestones or crystals on top. So this one is called Glitter Silver. So this next pink that we have is called Ice Bar. That would be the only one that I would recommend to do 2 coats, only because it's very thin and it's a glitter polish as well. So this other glitter polish, which is a pink, is called Blooming. And like I said, this one already has a pink tint to it, but the one before that I would recommend doing 2 coats. This blue glitter is called Sparkling Sea. And like I said, because it's thin, I would recommend doing 2 coats on these just because they're glitter. Okay, so as you can see, we have everything polished, and now we're just going to apply our top coat, which is by Modelones, and it comes in that package that you saw in the beginning of the video. And then once we put the top coat on, we are going to put in the UV nail lamp for 90 seconds, and we will be done. And by the way, this is a no wipe gel top coat, so you don't have to wipe it down with alcohol to remove that tacky layer. So that's another good thing about this Modelones brand. But like I said, I am very shocked that most of these go on with just 1 coat because of the thick consistency. Like I said, the only ones that I would recommend to use 2 coats is the glitter polishes, just because you want it to be a little bit more vibrant. So yeah, we're going to do that, and I'll be back. So, like I said, I would definitely recommend anyone to try out this brand. The only downside, which is it's actually really not a downside, is just that the containers are so small. I would recommend that Model Ones actually make bigger containers with this consistency, because, like I said, it goes on with 1 coat, and this is perfect. It's so perfect, and the colors are so pretty. So, like I said, I recommend this for you guys to try out. You can purchase it from Amazon. I believe it was like $12.99 off of Amazon. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. Join the squad, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.